Good morning, everyone. So, yeah, night in the tent was really good, and I'm ready to go to Underground River. So now I'm heading to the wharf and try to get a boat. So here's a small update. Actually, now you can pay for permit here in Sabang, so no need to go to Coliseum. But still, if you get the permit in Puerto, the whole procedure here will be a bit faster. Here you will need to pay 150 peso environmental fee and then wait for a boat. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm waiting for a boat. Same system like in Honda Bay, the boat is designed for 6 people. So since I'm alone, I need to wait for 5 other people. We have like 3 people team already, so waiting for 3 more. There is also interesting option if you don't want to use a boat. You can go to Underground River by foot. There is like a monkey trail, which is about 5 kilometers long, so 1.5 hours. But the thing is, you need to have a guide to go there, so the price will be the same, 200 peso. So I have done a tour around the cave, and yeah, it took about 45 minutes to go inside the cave and back. It's quite nice, but for me it's like super organized. You are like rushing everywhere. We have arrived here, spent here 5 minutes on the beach, we're put in the boat, then 45 minutes tour, and then basically we're going back to Sabang. So I'm back to Sabang. I have finished the Undeground river tour and it's just too fast. The whole thing took about 2.5 hours, including paying the environmental fee, going to the cave entrance, then visiting the Underground river, and then coming back. 2.5 hours. So the whole thing is a bit too fast. They're rushing you everywhere, but the cave, the Underground river, is actually quite unique. The total length is 8 kilometers, but they are bringing you inside 2 kilometers deep. Yeah, it's a real river, so it's like 9 meters deep, really dark. There are a lot of bats and like different shapes of stalactites. It's absolutely worth it, but the only thing is like too tourist and too fast. Anyway, now I'm going to try to visit one more beach. There's like a hidden beach, 30 minutes walking from here, and then I'll check out the zip line. This one here is the small river and pedal boat tours, which are 350 peso per person. It's like 30-40 minutes going up the river and down. And here's the broken bridge. If you want to go to the second beach, you would need to cross somehow, which is impossible here. So you need to go all the way to the sea and try to cross there. At low tide, it should be no problem. So this is the place where you would need to cross the small river. As you see, it's really good for crossing, no problem. Now it's 1 p.m, still okay. But probably in the evening at high tide, it's a bit difficult. So this one here is the second beach, Maltipien Beach, and it's kind of more private, no people here. It's on the other side of a small river, like 20 minutes walk from the parking area. And if you want to take the zip line, you should continue walking, go to the end of the beach, and then climb up the mountain. There are like steps. The only one pathway, so impossible to get lost. So basically, you don't need a guide. So this one here is Sabang X Zipline, which is 800 meters long. The price is 550 peso, and it goes all the way there. About talking about zipline, I don't know, it was fun, but a bit too slow and too expensive. Yeah, like all the zip lines, I guess. But this one at least has a nice view. So yeah, next I'm going for a swim, and I guess we'll start heading back to Puerto. By the way, this is the minivans here at the parking area, and you can go to El Nido directly from here, which is 700 peso, about 6 hours, 6-7 hours from here. So yeah, I'm getting ready for my trip to Puerto. It should take like 2.5 hours directly, maybe with one stop. And yeah, just enjoying the view here.